guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Fern. It is great to have you here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another Boux Avenue unboxing. It is December now, which means I get another monthly box as I am a Boux Avenue student ambassador. If you guys didn't know, I have done a previous video with all the information about it. And my discount code, which is fern.roberts, is always in the description, and it'll always tell you what the 20% discount is off that month. This month, for December, my 20% discount code is for Christmas, which is basically the whole of Boux Avenue's website. I mean, you can buy anything from there for Christmas. So I will leave all the links to the website, my discount code, and the things that I'm going to unbox in this video in the description below. Before we jump into the video, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, it would mean the world to me if you could go down below, click subscribe before watching, or even after watching. It would mean the world. And if you aren't following me over on my Instagram, I think you should. I'd really appreciate that as well. I will pop my name on the screen somewhere, and there's always like a bar. Without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. So this is the box that I have received for December. It's quite a hefty one, and Kerry has said that she's popped some extra goodies in the box this month as like little Christmas treats, and I'm really excited to show you guys what is in this box. I know roughly some kind of things, but I haven't fully gone into the box and looked through everything, so I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. So if I open the lovely tissue paper that everything comes wrapped in, oh my god. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I can see is, I think this is like a little Christmas card, but it says mince pies over guys. I mean, sorry Jack, but this card is just adorable. I don't like mince pies. Is that a crime? Let me know if you guys like mince pies. I know they're really Christmassy and everyone's supposed to love them around Christmas because like Santa eats them and stuff, but I've never been a fan, but I really like this card. The next thing that is under that is a notebook from Coconut Lane. I also have a Coconut Lane discount code, which I think is just Fern20. Correct me if I'm wrong, it should be in my description with all my other discount codes. And I bought myself a MacBook cover and a notebook to match, so I've already got one of these but in a leaf print, and these are so handy to just pop in your bag. But on the front it just says stay classy, sassy and a bit bad-assy. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see that very well. So I'm going to go through all like the little goodies that are extras. We don't usually get these in our boxes. Beauty Boulevard, maybe? I think that's what this is. Superior Lip Kit in the shade Ruby Slippers, I'm guessing. So this is like a bright ruby red. Oh my god. This is so cool. So literally like glitter lips. The next thing is some Boux Avenue powdered tissues. The natural ingredients of our powdered tissues have special absorbent blotting qualities which lift oil, dirt and shine, leaving a delicate trace of powder. Detach a leaf and gently press the smooth powdered side over face. These are the little powdered tissues, if it'll focus on it. That is such a cool idea. So the next item that I've got is the Aurelia. I'm not quite sure how to say this. Aurelia, something like that. Aurelia London, if you can see the name. But it is this gorgeous star little necklace. That is so cute. So I've also got a Boux Avenue hand cream with silk protein. How cute is this bottle? That is absolutely adorable. Infused with silk protein, jojoba extract and sweet almond oil. Fragrance with black rose, orchid and musk. Oh my god. Right, I don't use hand cream, but I think I need to start using hand cream. We've also got a loose glitter pigment from Go Get Glitter. This is the shade Amber Light. Oh my god, that is such a pretty glittery shade. That will be amazing. Maybe I should do like glitter eyes, glitter lips, everything glitter. Is that too much? We also have some nail polish. So I've got one from Barry M. This is the Molten Metal Nail Paint in the shade Antique Gold, which is like a really purpley, dark purple gold shade. Very glittery. That looks gorgeous. I'm sure my mum would really like that colour. And then we've got a... What kind of colour is this? Who's this by? Orly Beauty. Breathable treatment and colour. All in one, base coat colour and top coat. That is interesting. This is kind of like a dark pinky purpley shimmery colour as well. That looks really, really pretty. We also have a Boux Avenue Cherry Kiss Lip Balm. Cute little lip balm packaging. I think this is the last little goodie, which I'm so grateful for all of this. Like, this doesn't usually get sent out. It's just kind of the items that you pick from Boux Avenue's website, but this is so cute. I'm so excited to try all these things. This is the last thing from Grow Gorgeous. It's a scalp detox exfoliating pre-wash treatment. That sounds really interesting. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing your hair. Wet your hair before applying a generous amount to your scalp. Use your fingers to massage the product all over into the scalp in circular motions. Leave for a few minutes to allow the cooling sensation and purifying properties to detoxify the scalp. Thoroughly rinse and cleanse your hair. Wow, okay. Formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to remove impurities that block pores and disrupt hair and scalp health. This sounds something that is really, really interesting because I struggle with my hair. My hair is so damaged and like dead at the ends, and it doesn't grow just because I bleach it and I use like heat on it and stuff. I'm really intrigued to see how this works, but this is what the bottle looks like from Grow Gorgeous. But now onto the monthly goodies. So this set, oh my god, this is the Anushka Strappy Plunge Bra in strawberry, just because it's like a strawberry red colour. Oh my god, I've never had anything like this. This is like so cute but so sexy at the same time. I'm sure Jack will really like this, if that's not TMI. This is absolutely gorgeous and will look amazing with the tan, but I feel like this colour would also look amazing on really, really fair pale skin. This hasn't got much padding, there's a tiny bit in there. I got this in a 32C. Then we've got the Anushka thong to go with it. As I've said before, I do prefer a thong. This is in a size UK 10. Literally just a simple little red thong with the same kind of detailing at the front and the same strappy sides. And then the back is obviously a little thong. This would be so cute together. It did come as the 3-piece set. You can buy them like separately, obviously they're separate prices, but they're meant to be like a set. I've never had anything like this before. The third item is actually a suspender belt, which I've never tried on, I've never bought before, but I'm really intrigued to kind of like see how they look on me. Obviously it's a bit more of a sexy piece, kind of like bedroom stuff. If you're into that, like wearing sexy underwear, you do you, boo. But this is just kind of like the extra thing that kind of goes around your waist, and then they can clip onto stockings, is it? Like the long stocking things that come up to your thighs. I don't know, I just think it's really cute, so I'm gonna try it out, see if it looks good. I got this in a UK 8 to 10. I think they just go in like a 12 to 14, like 8 to 10 sizes. And then it's just kind of got the same bra adjustable back thing for your waist. The next thing, oh, this is so cute. The next thing is a hat and a scarf set. So this is the Pom Cable Knit Hat. I'm assuming this is just one size. I love little pom-pom fur hats. I think they're so cute. I don't have a grey one. I've got a black one and like a beige one. I think they're both from Primark, or maybe one's from Topshop, but oh, this looks a little bit small. Let's hope this fits my head. But this is just so cute, so wintry. I'm gonna see if I can put it on. I don't really know if hats suit me, but they're perfect for like days where you know it's gonna be cold. So my hair's probably too thin and looks a little bit silly, but how cute is this? And then it comes with a lovely simple knit grey scarf as well. Oh, this is so cute. It smells really nice in this box. And the really, really exciting thing is They sent out a pyjama set for me and my mum, because they've got like their kind of Boux Ever After. I think it's just kind of like a promotional thing. There's 4 ladies who are representing like different kind of characters, and it's all about your leading lady in life, treating them to like obviously sexy lingerie. You know, they're your leading lady. They are the person in your life that would matter most to you as a woman, and for me that is obviously my mum. So they sent us out matching pyjama sets, which is so cute. So I'm just going to open mine. So it's another pyjama in a bag set. If you saw my video before, you would have seen I got a pink and grey snowflake one. And this is a really Christmassy red checkered set. I cannot wait for us to take a cute photo in these together because I think it would be so adorable. Oh, I should have got my Nana set too because my Nan's coming over for Christmas dinner. So we've got the... they're more like a pinky red. It's not like a red red. It's like a pinky kind of red with navy, white and silver running through it. And they are just simple long pyjama bottoms, just like the other ones that I've got. Super comfy and just chilled. Obviously they have so many like sexy options of like lace and satiny silk kind of pyjamas, and obviously underwear and stuff. So go and check the website out through the link in the description because it is worth just having a little browse. You might find something that you're in love with and you want for Christmas, or find something for like your mum, your nan, your sister, your girlfriend. So then we've got the matching shirt kind of pyjama top as well, which just has buttons all the way down the middle. There's a little pocket on the side. Got your little collar, and then long sleeves, and it comes all the way down as well, so it's nice and big. I got mine in a size 10. I'm usually an 8, but with pyjamas and things I do like it to be oversized, baggy, comfy, so I do get them in a size 10. But I think this is so cute. Oh, I really want to try it on. And that, guys, is everything that I received in my Boux Avenue December box. The box is empty now. I'm just so grateful for all the little goodies as well. So thank you to Kerry, who does send out all of our boxes for us. She's an absolute gem. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these items or Boux Avenue in general, or if you just want to have a chat, because I love talking to you guys. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button because it does mean a lot to me. And like I said at the beginning, if you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe before you go if you want to see more of my face. Thanks for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.